Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another episode of 904 Fishing, where we won't actually be fishing. So this was kind of suggested to me, but one of the things that I like to do, aside from fishing, is cooking. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm cooking today, and you know, how we do it, the ingredients, things of that nature, walk you through it, and hopefully you guys like this. If you guys want to see more of this, let me know down in the comment section below. Alright, first thing we're going to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Alright, there we go. Good to go. Alright, so switching over to the GoPro, what we have for rolls is we've got a package of Hawaiian King rolls, and then we got half a thing of honey ham, and half a thing of Black Forest ham. The reason I'm saying half is because we're going to do 6 rolls with the Black Forest ham, and then 6 rolls with the honey ham. We also have 3/4 a stick of butter, some provolone cheese, onion powder, Worcestershire sauce, yellow mustard, and brown sugar. Completely forgot what it was called for a second. But if you guys want the recipe, it's going to be down in the description below, the whole thing. But first thing we're going to do is get rid of all this stuff and cut the rolls in half. We take all the rolls out, separate them out, pull them apart, and cut them in half. Alright, so now that we got them all in half, we're going to put the bottom halves into a oven-safe pan. Bottoms all separated, we're going to melt the butter to make the sauce that we're going to brush onto the bottoms of the sandwiches as well as the top. Alright, and now we're going to add the brown sugar, the Worcestershire sauce, the yellow mustard, and the onion powder to the butter that is now melted fully, and make a sauce with it. So now that we have our sauce, we're going to brush a little bit on the bottom of the sandwiches here. Got that, we're going to get our packages of ham, fold them over in half, and do the sandwiches. We're going to do Black Forest ham and honey ham. We've got our provolone cheese here, and obviously one side looks like it's going to be too big, so we're going to fold it in half. And then do, I don't know, we'll do half. And then, yeah, alright, so we'll break it in half, and then use both halves on the same sandwich. Which is going to be super cheesy, but it's the best way, right? There we go, we're going to put the tops back onto the sandwiches now. Alright, now that we've got this all done, we're going to lather our sauce right over the top of the buns, making sure that they're evenly coated. Well, not evenly coated, but making sure that they're well coated. And then once you got them all coated, you can just pour the rest of the sauce onto the sandwiches. We're going to throw these in the oven for 30 minutes and wait. Alright, 30 minutes is now up. We're going to get our sandwiches out. They look delicious. Alright, and these are our sandwiches now. So we're going to let them cool for a little bit and then eat them and see how they go. Thank you guys for watching this. If you guys like this, like I said at the beginning of the video, let me know down in the comment section below if you want to see some more of these. I do really enjoy cooking, so I'm probably going to do more. But this is my first try. If you guys want me to make something, let me know. Until next time, fish on.